Okay, guys, thank you for joining me again. In this little presentation, we're gonna teach you how to build a bot and how to, fine tune it using the AI features and all. All right, so this is our dashboard. Real quick, if you look at this, I have a very small bot. I added last night. I have done 47 trades. Made $1.72. This is my KuCoin market making for Polk. I think I added it. I think with $100 in USDT, zero Polk, and it just started buying and selling and doing its thing. Anyway, here's where you're gonna, just to give you a quick overview. Here's the live pumps. This is where you're gonna be able to see pumps come as they come in. If you build your own AI pump bot in the platform, it will trade automatically on these. But if you don't have one active and you're looking at this and you go, oh my god, this sounds like a good pump, you can click here to see the chart. You can see the chart going on of that pump. You can then decide, I want to jump in, and you just click here on launch bot, and you configure your settings, your take profits, stop loss, and create and launch, and it will create the bot and do right away the first buy. The AI generator is where we're going to create our strategies with AI. This is our trading expert for any questions you have about bots and trading. This is where we store our strategies that we build. The strategies, you can open them, you can import new strategies, you can export. If this is a good strategy that is making you good profits or good market making, and you want to share it with a friend, just export the JSON and you can send it to him and he can import it. Then you have the bot management. This is where we have our bots, right? And then we have AI manager. AI manager is actually where you can manage your entire portfolio and track, and it will do everything that I'm teaching you, but it will do it on its own. And this is where you track your API keys. When you add them, save them, and you test your exchanges to make sure everything's all set. So let's get started with creating a bot. So you can ask questions to the Metao AI. Let's ask him a question. It's like, how is the market doing today? Is it a good time to create an AI bot? All right. First thing is that the definitely is a good. It says, it's tough to say definitely it's a good time without knowing your specific goals and risk tolerance, market conditions, economic shifting, blah blah. And to give you more advice, could you tell me more about specific trading pairs you're interested in, etc., etc. Pretty cool. So this bot will actually help you, get informed and get started. All right. So to be quick, let's just create a market making Polk USD2 strategy. This is the ones that we interested in making right now. You click here and it will use that prompt. You can of course make your own prompt, but let's use this one. All right, I want to use half of my Polk inventory. I want to have a 10,000 Polk daily volume. This is the overall daily volume of Polk in that exchange. And I want to make my sales are going to be from 3,500 to 4,000 Polk. I click generate strategy. It's going to go ahead and generate a strategy here. Let's go. Generating. All right. And you are going to see your explanation. Make sure that it built what you wanted. Make sure you build what you wanted. Let's keep here. This is your bot configuration. You can edit it here and do whatever, but I'll recommend just use as it is, and once we're running we can update. I'll show you how. All right, save the strategy. Let's call this one for KuCoin, and let's test that on KuCoin, right? All right, save. I have created that strategy. If you look here, strategies, this is the last one we just made. Very cool. Let's go here, bot management. This is actually, remember, this is where you keep the strategies. Let's go to bot management. This is my KuCoin market making bot. It's been trading since yesterday. This is the amount of polk I have. This is my USDT, my profit. Oop, look, the last signal in status and all that. But I'm gonna stop this bot real quick because I wanna. Well, actually, let's not even start it. I like the way it's going. These are my buys. These are my sells. It's doing pretty well. You can create a bot. Okay, let's leave it like that. Let's create another bot. But from template, when you are using the strategies that we built, this is the setting: AI bot from a template. You can create your own pump bot, arbitrage bot, wash, bull follower bot, and new listings, which are pre-made bots that we built for you guys. We use them using AI also, but they are a little bit more oriented to these strategies and less complexity. All right, let's check this out. We have an error over here. Logs. Oh, balance insufficient. I ran out of money, so I just put a little amount of money, so it's not liking it, so it failed. It will actually cool down for a minute and it will start again. As you can see, it will start moving bulk from and it probably will buy more bulk because it couldn't trade bulk. It was too little to meet our balance that we set. Anyway, this will fix itself and it will keep working. So to create a bot, you come here, you select this one, create template. Let's call this one for KuCoin. And let's go here and choose the strategy we just made. Choose the exchange we're going to connect. Choose our pair. It's going to look and it will automatically check the decimals. This is important because without these settings, the transactions will fail. All right, create bot. As you can see, it created here. It says polk volume for polk, and you can come here and it will load the chart. Right, it's in simulation. Well, right now we'll show you where to change that. You can come here and check your orders. Cancel open order for the bot and trade history. Control. This is where you can activate the bot. Right now it's in simulation. If you want to make it real, you click here and it will change to real. And you can see the strategies here. You can request a review and all that. But this is a new bot. It doesn't have trading, no information. So for the sake of it, let's go to the bot that we have running already, that we have been running since yesterday. This way we can open this bot and we can actually let's look at these other settings. Let's do a back test. If you go to back test, it will look at all the last trades, simulated trades, right? It's simulated trades, and this will be your P&L for those simulated trades over here. If you can actually click on sentiment. Let's see on sentiment. Let's see the sentiment of polk USDT. You click on sentiment. It will go ahead and it tells you neutral, the confidence percent, and it tells you why it went to these results. You can do this to every trading pair that you have in your exchange. All right, and this has been trading. This is the profit. We can do a technical analysis of this trade, this chart. All right, let's see the technical analysis. Is analyzing, and here we go. It'll give you a detailed technical analysis of this chart. Really good for those who like to do this analysis and consider them into their trades. All right, so this is our logs. As remember, I told you it was going to fix itself. It fixed itself. It kept going. Here you can actually talk to the bot. Let's check with this KuCoin market making for polk bot. Okay. All right. Let's see. How do you see the trading going? Do you have any recommendations? All right. This will actually analyze the chart. It will analyze the trades. It will analyze the bot configuration, and it will come back with something. All right. Let's see. Current market showing some volatility. Manifestation. My configuration aims at 50%. Bloop bloop. To improve performance, I recommend enabling skew of dynamic adjust bid margins based on the current inventory. This should be a better manage risk and capitalize market movement. Well, so all you have to do here, if you like this, is click apply recommendation, and boom, it changed the settings on your bot and apply the recommendations. Another way to do that is going to control and click here request a review, and it will automatically do the same thing. It will do a review and it will offer you a setting change. Or you can actually click here and automate AI, and what it will do, it will do this 1 hour review of your bot and optimize if needed. Okay, but remember, the chat is more powerful than that. The chat, you can ask a lot of questions, you know, like thinking right now, you can ask them, do I have enough balance for trading? Should I be taking profits? Any questions that you have for this bot, it will be answered here. All right. So guys, this is basically how, oh, look at this. Since it got a volume increase, it actually bought and it's waiting to sell over there and make a profit. Pretty cool. This is how bots work in Metao AI trading bot platform. All right, so make sure that you join our free account and start trading and doing some market making for tokens.